How to fix there is a billing problem with a previous purchase on your iPhone. So if you want to fix there is a billing problem with the previous purchase on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. From your settings, you need to scroll down, and then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having an internet connection, you need to go with your general section. From the general, you need to scroll down, go with transfer and reset iPhone. Tap on reset and then reset your network settings. After resetting your network settings, you need to come back and then go with your account. Tap on your Apple account. After that, scroll down a bit and then you'll find media and purchases. Tap on it and then tap on view account. After that, you have to simply check whether you don't have any kind of pending payments. If you have, then just simply clear your pending payments in the manage payment section. After that, you can go back and from your Apple ID, you can go and change your payment method if you want to. After changing your payment methods, you need to just simply go back and then restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix there is a billing problem with a previous purchase on iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.